Let's say this is Magic Keyboard. This is an Apple product. Designed in California and made in China. Not sure whether it's clear in the video, but yeah, now it's clear. Let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, pull it from one side, and this is how the product looks. Look at each of the button. The first row has function keys. Okay. And you get a lightning cable. And a booklet how to use it. Base is very shiny. So it's very shiny, which will be mostly at the bottom, but it's shiny, I don't know why. And you can see it's a very super slim keyboard. What is this button for? Not sure what is this button for. The rest of the key are as usual. This look nice. The arrow key looks nice, and it's very light. It's very light. Okay, this would be the power on, power off. It's not in the picture, so this is what looks to me the power on button and power off. Now this is where it will be charging. For keyboard it's simple. You plug in the charging cable that you get here, and you will still be using the keyboard, unlike mouse where when you put the cable at the back side and you are not able to use during that time. This should be, I guess, receiver, antenna, Bluetooth receiver or something. Let's see how comfortable it is. So once you have put it here and starting timing, Apple is a good product. Okay. I don't feel it is that smooth. Maybe I will try it a bit and see if it's also it's making tick 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 sound, which I don't like much. Not much of a movement with the key. Hello, how are you? So it's the lightest keyboard that I have seen, but I'm not feeling the typing very much here. Maybe after a couple of days of use I might have some good context whether it's worth using it or not. And I also don't understand what's the purpose of this shiny base.